Hello everybody, welcome to Mrs. Finney's Gardening Class. Shout out to the HB Warriors, to all of our subscribers, and to all of our visitors from my house to your house. Let's learn science. Today we're in my backyard. A few weeks ago I created my first garden bed. First time having one, and I want to take you guys on a journey with me to start this garden. Right now we're in lesson 9, but in lesson 10 we were scheduled to plant broccoli and radish in the classroom. So I figured since that was on the agenda, we should work together to do a garden by video and see what we get when we plant. So we want to get this process started today. I'm going to actually go through the process of planting so that we can start indoor, and then we're going to bring everything outdoor once we have the germination process going on from inside. So in germination, you want to see the seed coat split, the root grows down, the stem grows up, and the cotyledon opens. I put that in a wrap, so I would say like this: the seed coat splits, the root grows down, the stem grows up, and the cotyledon opens. Germination, 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 germination. Let's sprout, let's sprout, let's sprout, let's sprout. So today we're going to start that process so that we can see our plants, see our seeds germinate. All right, so let's get started. So from Home Depot, we have our packs of seeds. Shout out to my husband for picking those up for us. And let's see what we have in the bag. Here's a receipt. What's in the bag? Collection of purchase. $22.86, and I have a variety of seeds. So let's see what we're planting. We have sweet corn pack for $2.49. Cucumber pack $1.99. We have yellow Spanish sweet onion. I have that price at the top there, but it was $1.99. Okay. We have lettuce, $2.49. All of these seeds are lovely, right? We also have tomato for $2.49. Sweet pepper for $2.49. Cucumber for $1.58. Watermelon for $1.78. All of these seeds, not bad, right? Basil for $1.69. Oh, and broccoli for $1.99. Okay, so what we're going to do to set up for our indoor planting, we want to use the water bottles. And my daughter, she keeps her water bottles. She drinks so much water, but I asked her to collect them, and she passed them off so we can get started. All right, we're going to use water bottles and just simply cut this. Okay, so I just made a little cut and cut around. This is going to be like our little teeny pot. Oh man, the dab is real. This will be like our little teeny pot. Okay, so I want to fill this with some soil, and that will be our next step. All right, so for the next step, we need two things. Okay, so we have a view of what our container will look like. All right, but we need potting mix, right, like such. Okay. And we'll also need water, okay, and a container. All right, so now what we're going to do is pour the potting mix in to the container. And then we want to pour some water into this just to get this pre-moistened. We want to start our seeds out with some moist soil. Not too much, not too little. Alright, so now we're going to put our gloves back on so we can mix this back. mix this up. Okay. We need to add some more water. We just need to add some more water. Not big deal. And we want to make sure that this soil is nice. All right. As many of you would say, this is so satisfying.
So satisfying.
My daughter says the same thing all the time. So satisfying. All right. So once we have this nice and moist, okay, so that's satisfying.
So satisfying.
We want to then take the container that we cut. Okay. Check it out. So just use what you have. Be resourceful. Alright, put your soil inside. Alright. Soil in, fill it up. And again, this is just how we're going to start our plant before we put this inside of the garden bed. I actually should have did this a few weeks sooner. But here we are. All right, here we go. So now check that out. Go to the top. And for the next step, I want to take these gloves off. And then give an example of how to plant. Let's start with sweet corn. Start with sweet corn. Want to open this up. Isn't this amazing? Alright. Easy, easy. Okay. And you want to just take a few. Okay. Just put it in. It says depth 1. Alright, see that? Alright, so we want to just give it a little space. Make sure we pack this in really good. We want to avoid some air pockets and get a little more soil in there. Okay. Now I'm getting my hands a bit dirty. It's alright. Okay. Now, let's make a little indentation there. Place that in. And take some soil, cover it back up. Okay. Make another spot. Just like the same thing. Take a little bit of soil, cover it up. Alright. And then I'll do a third spot. Alright. Oh snap. Alright, I'm going to place that in there. Not too deep. Okay. Alright. And so this is ready to go. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll set up the same process for the rest of them. Now, next step, we want to label our container. Right. You can label in all kinds of ways. You can get really fancy. I'm just going to use some regular old tape. Alright. Sometimes it's easier with what you already have. Being resourceful, right? Okay. So this is sweet corn. So I just want to write that on my label. Sweet corn. That way I know what's growing. Alright, so next you take your label and you stick it onto your container. And we have sweet corn. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the others, and I'll be right back. Okay, before I show you the finished result, I do want you to see what these seeds look like. So this is a cucumber seed. Cucumber seed. Here is the seeds for lettuce. Look at that, a lot smaller, right? Here is sweet pepper. That looks like. Right here is yellow Spanish sweet onion. A little different, right? And right here we have basil. Very tiny. Here's tomato. All right, last one, and here's watermelon. I'll show you some before. All right, so here we have everything that we're planning. Okay, we have tomato, lettuce. Right. We have our sweet corn, cucumber, sweet pepper, basil, watermelon, and yellow Spanish sweet onion. All right, next thing we're going to go inside to see where we're going to put everything. All right, see you there. All right, here we have it. Labeled and dated. So we have lettuce, sweet corn, cucumber, basil, tomato, sweet pepper, yellow Spanish sweet onion, watermelon, tomato, and another watermelon right here. Actually turned out to be a perfect fit. All right, so that is day 1 of our gardening. I will check back in with you all as we make progress. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.